Hey everybody. I just wanted to show the new topic generation tool. So typically what we have is normal, which is what we have been doing. And now we are using performance as well. So in here you can see that SEO has 8,000 topics, crypto 18,000, fishing 8,000, CrossFit 9,000. So let's create a topic real quick. So what you'll see here now is you get a little message. And in the message, it says, normal, generate quickly up to 600 article topics per niche. Performance, generate up to 120,000 article topics per niche. So I'll explain how that works here in a second. The first thing to do, though, is just to add a topic. So let's do a performance one. And let's do stock trading. Or how about this? Stock market. I'll do stock trading. Stock trading is fine. Great category. So let's see what this does real quick. Great. So first of all, this is a staging environment. This is not live for everybody. Keep that in mind. While this is running, you can see right here in tasks that, creating categories. I forget this is so quick. So one of the first things that's changed is, go switch over to performance. It has 0 topics, but we have 26 categories. So now the way that it's going to work is 0 credits are used in order to just get your categories, right? So now we have stock, trading, exchange. Here, let me, on top of this, I want to do a normal one so we can compare. Stock trading. That way you can see the difference. Yes, I'm sure. I don't have enough credits. That's what everyone says. So while that's working, let's go back to topics. So performance, cool. So as you can see, we have stock, trading, exchange, broker, market, investors, security, share, price, volume, analysis, strategy, risk, profit, loss, commodity, derivatives, index, funds, portfolios, margins, order, chart, trend, liquidity, and margin call. So there's all sorts of stuff in here that will be super helpful. For now, I'll just describe what we're doing for now. For now, the way to do this is you need to click on the one that you're most interested in. So if I'm most interested in the stock market, I would click this, or trading, right? So let's do trading. And let's create the topics. So if you want the topics just for trading, that's going to be 20 credits. Andrew, that's a lot. That's the equivalent of $20. I know. But you're getting 8,000 plus topics immediately. So it's, I think that's worth it. There's a lot of work on our end to make it happen. And yeah, so if you do the full cluster, it's 20 credits per. So let's click this real quick. See if it's working. Great. So it's working on that, and we're still getting the topics for this one right here. Let me go back to topics, and I will do performance. Okay. Let's do crypto real quick. So I've done one of these, right? So each one is 20 credits. So that's 20, this is 20, this is 20. So that entire cluster, done. A lot of people ask me, will there be overlap, or is there some sort of cannibalization issue? And to that, I say kind of. Think about it this way. Our goal is to create a system that just maps out everything possible on autopilot. But to be able to do that completely on autopilot, the AI is going to have overlap, because a lot of times it's really hard to decide what belongs in a cluster, right? Like thinking about Bitcoin could belong in tons of categories for crypto, for instance. So that's just something to keep in mind. When you're doing this, don't just wholesale publish an entire category. What we recommend is you want to start with, let me dig in. Let's find one. So cryptocurrency, great. Then we have mining, great. so let's use this as an example. So you don't want to just publish, even in staging, we don't allow this, but we will eventually. You don't want to just publish all of hardware immediately without looking at it. That's not the goal. So if you go to hardware, great, now we can see, right? So there's 82 topics. This is the level that maybe you could publish all of it. But even then, what I like to do is still dig in, and then I'll just select the ones I want to talk about. So here we go. What types of cryptocurrencies can be mined with FPGA? What is it in mining? What are the benefits of it? What are the risks and challenges? How is it different from GPU and ASIC mining? How to choose the best rig? What are the requirements to mine? Is it profitable? And what are the best practices? So as you can see, super on-topic stuff. This is great. Let's go back now just to ASICs. I think we're already there. We'll do this. We'll do mining rigs. And we can do mining pools, I guess. So what is a mining pool? What are the benefits of? Okay, so on this one, it didn't catch that you need of a mining pool, right? So small little issues like this are, popping up, and we're trying to fix them. But it still gets the job done. It would still write a great article. Solo mining versus pool mining. Let's do that. Topic selected. And by the way, we're going to get a new prompt version soon. I think it's great. I think it's better. Not massively better, but it isn't an upgrade. And we're letting this go. So as we're seeing, we're 55% of the way through on topics for this one. And for trading, still creating stuff there as well. So let's go here. Stock trading. So as it's creating, you actually get to still see it before it's done. So we only have 1,300 of the total, but we can go to it. And here we go. So let's do investing. We'll do types of investments. We have real estate investing, mutual funds, exchange traded funds, stocks, bonds, commodities, options trading, cryptocurrency investing, forex trading, and investing in precious metals. So all really good stuff. You could immediately just publish these. So that's for normal. Normal mode's great. Performance mode, we have 12,788 topics. And I believe all we did was dig into trading. Yeah, so trading, we have the basics, market analysis, risk management, trading instruments, trading strategies, trading psychology, and trading regulations. So we have regulatory bodies, requirements, compliance, and penalties, disclosure requirements, reporting standards, trading restrictions, all that good stuff. So let's see. Risk factors, accounting policies, relative transaction reporting standards, financial disclosure, audited financial statements, quarterly earnings. There's a whole bunch of stuff. So that's how this works. It's super cool. I absolutely love it. And yeah, I hope you guys like it too. It's going to be live probably this week around Friday. Gives us enough time to test it, make sure nothing's too wrong. You'll have the ability to do both. So if you want to do a more general approach that just has, 300 to 600 categories or whatever it is or topics, totally fine. That'll be normal mode. That's 10 credits. If you want 8,000 topics and just in a single drill down, that's 8,000. And we'll eventually allow you to actually edit the name of your clusters, and that way you can kind of adjust things. What I'd like to do is and tell me in the comments whether you think this would be great, but what I'd like to do is to be able to have, you can kind of like drag and drop different things or kind of adjust it. So in the same way that Google Drive allows you to place different things where you want, that's what I want for this, where I could drag, into another category if it's a duplicate. Maybe even have a system that flags something as a duplicate, like, hey, the exact same title is being used or something like that. I'll figure out the best way to do it, but that's the goal. We'll fix it. It's another step in the right direction. It does not take long to generate these. It's absolutely amazing. And we might allow you to even export this. Right now, we don't allow that. So, and that's primarily because we want people to actually use the tool. Eventually, when we're out of beta, for sure, that'll be something that we do. Everyone will be able to export stuff. What I see this tool becoming is something that you have two main functions, maybe even three. At least for now, though, there's two. First, topic generation. So people love that. A lot of people just want to use it for the topic generation, and they have a different mindset with content or AI content, right? There are two mindsets. One is I want to do the massive content campaign and use that just to get stuff kind of in a good point, and then just have writers or editors or whatever go in and immediately just sort of spruce it up. Then there are the people that they want out of the box the article to be at an even higher level with AI. They want to use AI that will avoid AI detection, that'll be SEO optimized, that'll be super long, that'll be super in depth. That just takes a long time. It takes a lot of clicking, a lot of research and prep work. Mine is designed not to have that. So that's why we want topic generation to eventually be something that, you could just use this for topic generation and then export it and then go into your favorite AI tool and just do a single article. We're not built for that, but there are plenty of tools that are. The next offering is obviously just the article generation at scale. So those are the two things that people use our tool for, and I personally use it for both. I think it's amazing, but keep in mind, no matter what you're doing with AI, you're still going to want some human intervention in there. It makes things better. It makes things, never build a system that's just waiting for Google to smack it down. Google's not going to smack down a hybrid approach. They just aren't, so don't worry about it. And that's it. Cheers.